is what's going down today. I'm going to the Asbury Park Boardwalk. I'm here to look at the polar bear plunge. As you can see, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful to get in the water though, or to get near the water. Here. Faith and her friend in pink, they're actually going in the water. Yeah! They're crazy, right? Yeah. Here in Asbury Park, there are people actually waiting to get in line to get into the water for the Asbury Park plunge. These gentlemen are from the are representing the Asbury Park Polar Bear Plunge.
Sons of Ireland Polar Bear Plunge.
Sons of Ireland.
Sons of Ireland. We are the Sons of.
As you can see, I'm in the beautiful Asbury Park Casino. These are all the people waiting to get online to get in the water for the Asbury Park. This is Carla's shop at Carla at the Beach, and she's celebrating New Year's right. Why are you doing this? Why are you going in the water?
Recommended it to me, and I love him.
These ladies are here for Wise Animal Rescue. They're at the Polar Bear Plunge. Why are you doing this?
Animal rescue!
Yeah! They have the perfect seat. Some on the jetties. That coat is on the floor. In Asbury Park. Kitchen is in there.
Hey, Zachary. Did you guys do anything last night?
Tight procession of people getting into the water.
God bless them
How's the water?
Great.
I can't feel my body. Yeah, I can't really feel anything at all. I have one.
That's awesome.
You're warm when you go in, and then
There are people still going in the water for a second time. Are you going to do the polar bear plunge again?
Yep.
So, were you doing it for charity? Or?